Good morning and a very warm welcome to all of you in your EVS class. As you know, students, we have read the chapter Our Sense Organs and we have discussed the chapter also. Now, today we are going to do the new words of this chapter, or you can say the difficult words of this chapter. So, first you will write chapter 3 in the very first line, put today's date and write chapter 3. In the next line, you will write the name of the chapter, Our Sense Organs, Our Sense Organs, and in the next line, you will write new words. You will write new words. Then you will start writing words one by one. The very first word is different. डिफरेंट होता है अलग होना. डिफरेंट होता है सबसे अलग. DIFFERENT, different. Then the next word is outside. Outside मतलब बाहर. Outside means बाहर. OUT, out. SIDE, side. Next is world. WORLD, world. वर्ल्ड क्या है? संसार. ठीक है. Then is sound. SOUND, sound. Sound means आवाज़. Sound means आवाज़. Next is hear. HEAR, hear. HEAR, hear. Hear means सुनना. Next is listen. LISTEN, listen. इसे लिस्टन नहीं बोलते, listen. Listen means भी होता है सुनना. ठीक है. Hear and listen both means the same thing. Then is smell. SMELL, smell. What is smell? Smell होता है जो भी कोई भी खुशबू. वैसे हम खुशबू को फ्रेगरेंस बोलते हैं. ठीक है. अगर अच्छी खुशबू है तो हम फ्रेगरेंस वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं. इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग द स्मेल तो दैट मीन्स स्मेल, डर्टी स्मेल. Then is dirty. DIRTY, dirty. DIRTY, dirty. Dirty means ganda. Dirty means ganda. Next is taste. TASTE, taste. Taste, you all know, स्वाद किसी भी चीज़ का. ठीक है. Whether the cheese is sweet or sour, taste. Next is cover. Cover means किसी भी चीज़ को कवर करना. किसी भी चीज़ को कवर करना. COVER. So these are your new words which you will write in your notebook. The next is circle the odd one out. Circle the odd one out. Odd one out means you already have done this exercise, odd one out, many times in your notebooks and even in your UKG class and LKG class. There we used to give you pictures. Circle the odd one out कि 3 apples दे दिए and उसमें हमने एक pencil दे दी तो which is the odd one out. Now here you have been given words. Circle the odd one out. In these words you will circle, you will understand the meaning of each word and then you will come to know which is the odd one out and you will circle that word. So the very first is sweet, bitter, eyes. Now sweet is also taste, मीठा, bitter, कड़वा. ठीक है, these are the tastes. And the next is eyes. Eyes is the part of your body. ठीक है, sweet and bitter are taste, but eyes are the part of your body. So eyes is the odd one out. Eyes is the odd one out. Next is hot, nose, cold. Hot. Hot means garam. Nose is the part of your body. And cold means ठंडा. Hot and cold. ठीक है, hot means garam and cold means ठंडा, and nose is the part of your body. So nose is the odd one out. Now third is rose, lily, rose, lily, socks. Now rose is the name of the flower, and lily is also the name of the flower, and socks you all know is the pair of clothes you wear in your feet. ठीक है, so the odd one is socks. Then is mango, medicine, apple. Mango is the name of the fruit you all know. Apple is again the name of the fruit, but medicine you all know is दवाई. ठीक है, so the odd one is medicine. Now soft, hard, nose. Soft is मुलायम. ठीक है, hard means hard चीज़ like a stone, and nose is the part of your body. So soft, hard, nose is odd one out. Salty, spicy, cold. Salty is the taste, namkeen taste. Spicy is again the taste, very spicy. And cold means ठंडा. So the odd one out is cold. Now touch, feel, ears. Touch and feel are the same things. We touch and we feel. ठीक है, and ears are the part of our body, so ears are different. Fine, so you have to circle the odd one out like this. First understand these words, and then you will be easily come out with the answer. Now let's discuss the question, students. Answer the following questions. The very first question is, write the names of our sense organs. The very first question is, write the names of our sense organs. So we have already studied in our chapter sense organs कि we have 5 sense organs. We have 5 sense organs, that is eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. So you will write the names of all the 5 sense organs here. Write the names of our sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Now which sense organs helps us to see different things? Now which sense organs, which part of our body helps us to see different things? Eyes helps us to see different things. Eyes helps us to see different things. Name one thing that has a bitter taste. Name one thing that has a bitter taste. Bitter taste किसका होता है? कड़वा taste. ठीक है, कड़वा. Bitter is कड़वा. Either you can say neem, either you can say bitter gourd, and either you can say medicine. So medicine I think is the appropriate answer for you. So medicine has a bitter taste. Medicine has a bitter taste. You will write the full answer. No need to write only the one word. You will write the full answer. Medicine has a bitter taste. Now, which sense organ tells us that our tea is hot or cold? Which sense organs tells us whether the tea is hot or cold? Our skin tells us that the tea is hot or cold. हमारी स्किन बताती है. Our skin, हमारी जो स्किन है वही हमें फील करके बताती है. ठीक है. Our skin tells us that the tea is hot or cold. Now, which is the largest sense organ? Which is the largest sense organ? Skin is the largest sense organ. Skin. लार्जेस्ट सेंस ऑर्गन क्या है जो हमारी पूरी बॉडी पर है? दैट इज स्किन. स्किन इज अवर लार्जेस्ट सेंस ऑर्गन. व्हाट हेल्प्स अस टू नो द वर्ल्ड अराउंड अस? व्हाट हेल्प्स अस टू नो द वर्ल्ड अराउंड अस? क्या हमें चीज़ बताती है कि हमारे आसपास एक वर्ल्ड है? ठीक है. हमारे आसपास कुछ लोग रहते हैं या आर we have nature also, we have birds also, we have animals also. How do we know that? Our sense organs helps us to know the world around us. Our sense organs, see students, we hear with our ears, so we can hear different sounds outside in the world. So we see with our eyes, so that we can look different things in the world, our nature, beauty, everything. ठीक है. And we smell with our nose, so that we can smell different fragrances. ठीक है. जैसे flowers की sometimes dirty smells, so we come to know कि हाँ dirty smell भी होती है, अच्छी smell भी होती है. ठीक है. And we taste with the help of our tongue, so that कि we come to know कि हाँ how many types of tastes are there in our world. कितनी तरह की चीज़ें होती हैं, क्या किसका कैसा टेस्ट होता है. ठीक है. So our sense organs helps us to know the world around us. Our sense organs, जो हमारे sense organs हैं, 5 sense organs, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. These organs helps us to know the world around us. So these are your question answers which we have discussed today. Now let's discuss the fill in the blanks. We have only 5 fill in the blanks, so and they are very easy. A hint box is given at the top, and we just have to write the answers. And while discussing the chapter, we have already discussed these fill in the blanks in the chapter, so there won't be any problem for you. So first is, we have dash sense organs. How many sense organs we have? We have 5 sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. We smell a flower with the help of our nose. We smell with the help of our nose. Next is, our dash helps us to know the taste of something. Our tongue helps us to know the taste of something. किसी भी चीज़ का टेस्ट क्या है वो हमें कौन बताता है? हमारी टंग बताती है. ठीक है. Our dash helps us to hear different sounds. Our different sounds, we hear different sounds from what? From our ears. Our ears helps us to hear different sounds. Our ears helps us to hear different sounds. ठीक है. Now our whole body is covered with. our whole body. I have told you many times in the chapter कि our whole body is covered with skin. That is why skin is called the largest sense organ. That is why skin is called the largest sense organ. So our whole body is covered with skin. Our whole body is covered with skin. Now there are 3 questions given. Tick the correct option. Tick the correct option means कि 3 answers are given and 1 is the correct answer. ठीक है. So it is one of our sense organs. ये हमारा एक sense organ है. क्या? They have given the options. Number 1 is nose, number 2 is teeth, and number 3 is legs. So which is the sense organ? Nose. Our nose is our sense organ. Our nose is our sense organ. Okay. So we will tick nose. We will tick nose. Our skin helps us to smell, feel or hear. So what does our skin helps us? Our skin helps us to feel. Our skin helps us to feel. Our skin helps us to feel. Okay, so you will tick the feel option. How many ears do we have? How many ears we have? We have 1 ear, we have 2 ear, or we have 3 ears. We have 2 ears. All of us know we have 2 ears. So these were your exercise which you have to do in your notebook. So I hope students the chapter is clear to you. Our sense organs. There is nothing much in the chapter, but you just have to remember how many sense organs we have, and you have to remember the names of the sense organs and their functions. You will easily come to know, because if I'll ask you how do we see, so you simply tell we see with our eyes. So see is the function of our eyes. Okay. So how do we smell? Smell is the function of our nose. How do we taste? Taste is the function of our tongue. So you just have to remember the names of 5 sense organs. Don't get confused between the body parts and the sense organs. They both are different things. Okay. Eyes, nose, ears, and these all are our body parts, but these are our sense organs too. These are our sense organs too. So this is all for today, students in EVS. I hope the chapter is clear to you. Still, if you face any problem, we can discuss it in the interactive session. So till then, stay home, students. Take care. Bye bye.